Today's featured pickup truck is a 1972 Chevy C10 Cheyenne short bed pickup. And I'll read the seller's statement that he had on the window. 350 cubic inch V8 engine, turbohydromatic 350 transmission, 373 posi traction differential, Edelbrock aluminum intake, manifold and carburetor, performance headers and Flowmaster mufflers, 22-inch Riddler wheels, 22 by 10 front, 22 by 12 rear, 22-inch Nanking performance tires, new Duracell battery, factory air conditioning, power steering, power brakes, front disc brake conversion, new carpet, door panels and headliner, Lacara steering wheel, Line-X bed liner, and looks just as good underneath. And it sold for $49,000 at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California, back in February of 22. And it was definitely a good looking truck. The wheels might not be for everybody. Those usually strike a nerve, but it was definitely a nice truck when you look at it, and it really popped in the blue and white two-tone. But anyway, that's today's featured truck of the day, a 1972 Chevrolet Cheyenne C10 pickup truck that was restored and somewhat of a resto mod that I filmed at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California, where it sold for $49,000 back in February of 22. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Truck Finder, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my channel page, Truck Finder, and you can look for something else that looks interesting to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.